Imagine two fighter jets locked in a dogfight at 550 miles per hour. They're twisting, diving, pulling insane maneuvers, but one of those jets? There's nobody inside, no pilot, no co-pilot, just artificial intelligence making thousands of decisions every second. It's already happened. This isn't a movie trailer, this is real, and it's going to change defensive warfare forever. In 2024, at Edwards Air Force Base in California, something happened that most people completely missed. The AI-controlled F-16 in a real dogfight against a human pilot. Not in a simulation, not in a video game, in the actual sky. For a full hour, these two jets went nose to nose, pulling high-G maneuvers just 1,000 feet apart, and the AI held its own. But that was just the beginning. Before that test, an AI system built by a company called Heron Systems beat a seasoned fighter pilot 5 times in a row during DARPA's Alpha dogfight trials. 5 for 5. The AI was making decisions in nanoseconds, while the human needed tenths of a second. That gap might sound tiny, but at those speeds, it's everything. So what exactly are these things? Think of them as fighter jets that fly themselves. They process massive amounts of sensor data in real time, spot threats before a human ever could, and react in ways no pilot physically can. Because here's the thing, a human body has limits. Extreme G-forces can make you black out, fatigue kicks in, fear is real. AI doesn't deal with any of that. It can pull turns and execute maneuvers that would knock a person unconscious. Companies like Boeing and Anduril Industries are already building these aircraft. Boeing's Ghost Bat flies alongside human pilots as a loyal wingman, scouting ahead, jamming enemy signals, even absorbing fire so the human doesn't have to. Anduril's Fury drone can hit near supersonic speeds and be controlled in groups by a single operator. And maybe the wildest part? These jets can work together in swarms. Dozens of AI drones coordinating on their own to overwhelm enemy defenses. The US Navy already tested this back in 2021. Autonomous drones working together to find and destroy a target ship off the coast of California. By 2028, the plan's to have over 1,000 AI warplanes ready to go. China is testing a mothership drone that carries 100 smaller ones. Russia's building its own stealth AI jet. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this blew your mind, hit subscribe, because we've got a lot more coming on the tech that's quietly changing the world.